So hey guys, in this video we will tackle about inheritance and I will discuss the meaning of it, the important technologies, the keyword that it will be uses, and the types of inheritance. So let's without further ado, let's proceed. Inheritance is a core principle of OOP that allows a new class called the derived or subclass and that inherits attributes and methods from existing class known as base or superclass. So inherit class is like it's like parents that it's like a child that inherits a gene to its parents. That's called inherit from the word inherit. So inheritance terminologies, there are three types. So the first one is superclass, the second one is subclass, and the third is reusability. So superclass is like a parent. It has a function that it has a function on its own, and subclass is like a child, while subclass can inherit the functions or method that is belong to superclass, which is superclass doesn't have, and also reusability. And there are two types of inheritance. The first one is single inheritance, and the second one is multiple inheritance. Simple as the code that I will explain later is only a single inheritance since for beginners this was more simpler structures one superclass, and since multiple inheritance doesn't support Java in more classes, and you can't use these classes in multiple inheritances, it will become conflict to each other. So the only way you can use in multiple inheritance in Java is interfaces. But since our classes only uses Java language, we'll have to focus on Java. So that is the basic concept of inheritance. For now, let's proceed to the demonstration of inheritance using Java language. So this is the example code of single inheritance that I'll be explaining today. As you can see in this upper part, the animal class is the superclass or parent class and has a method make a sound, which is void sound, and it will display make a sound. And in the middle part is the class dog extend animals. This is the subclass and it has a method void bark. And the second class, which is subclass, we will be using the keyword extend to connect the superclass and the subclass, and the subclass inherited the method of superclass and give birth to another method, which is woof woof. Subclass is now having the two method that it gains from the parent class, and the connection of these two class, the class animal and the class dog. Class animal is the parent class and class dog is the child. So like a child inherits its genes from a parent class, and a child has its own method that the parent doesn't have. So which is the method bark woof woof. And since the parent class only make a sound, the child class dog has gained its method, it's another method woof woof. So in our main class or main method, it will create a instance called doggy to call out the both method, which is the sound and the bark. So that is the basic explanation of a single class. And since multiple inheritance is requires a lot of time to study, and it is more of a complex method since Java doesn't support multiple inheritance in classes, but you can do it in interfaces. I will not be providing it. So that will be it for this video, and thank you for watching.